Hey everybody, welcome to this video. We're going to look and see how long it takes to earn $2,000 in a homework assignment of Fishtopia. So I'm going to go ahead and create my game really quick, set this to $2,000 so you can see that. And then I'm going to go ahead and log myself into this game. And I'm also going to start a stopwatch so you can kind of see that at the end how long it took me to do it. All right, let's start this assignment. I haven't done my stopwatch yet. Okay, let's get the stopwatch going, and then we'll see how long it took at the end. Just so you know, it's not like one question being asked over and over again. I've combined a couple different chapters with the vocabulary into one game, so just so you get an idea that I'm not just trying to spam this as quick as I can and do it in an unrealistic way. For those of you who want some strategy, the first thing I do, especially for these homework assignments, since you're not really playing live in class, it doesn't really matter. So I'll just answer like 70 questions just to get a good base of bait so I don't have to keep coming back and doing that over and over again. All right, so we are already 3 minutes and 15 seconds in, and all I've been doing is answering questions. So I've got 88 bait. My next thing I'm going to want to do is try and get the next size backpack up, which costs $20. So I'm going to have to do some fishing for a minute. There's obviously a bit of luck involved here because my first 4 fish that I caught were these $1 fish. So if you keep getting the $1 ones, it's going to take you a bit longer. $5 is a good start. If you get one of those $10 ones, then you'll get that $20 that you need really quick. All right, I had to visit that lake 3 times to get up to $24. Let's come grab this medium-sized backpack. My next thing is going to be to get $10 so that I can head over to the purple pond, I believe it's called, so that I can start getting some bigger fish. All right, I got my $10. Let's go over to Purple Pond, buy my ticket. Make sure you're signed in because when you buy tickets and stuff like this, you get XP and you can purchase new skins eventually once you get enough XP. Each of the 3 ponds over here on the left-hand side of the map have some secret food to eat, some fruit. So here's a blackberry that looks a lot like some purple grapes. Get 100 XP for that. So let's answer some questions here. Okay, I've filled up my backpack. Let's head back, see how much money I have. $46. Let's go back and get some more money. I do want to head over to Sandy Shores when I get a chance. It's $85 though. So let's go back here and get some more big fish, hopefully. All right, I filled up my backpack. Let's see what I got now for money. $197. That's definitely enough to get. You know what? I don't think I'm going to do that yet. Let's go get some upgrades because being able to move quicker and answer questions faster is super helpful. There's the move faster. Can I get all of these? $140? Yeah. Let's get all of these upgrades. Because selling the fish for more money, I think, is probably worth it in the long run. And again, you get XP for purchasing these as well, so it's worthwhile. All right, I don't think I have enough money to go to Sandy Shores, so let's go get a few more fish. I need $85, so let's do this. Just in case you haven't seen how fast it goes when you buy that upgrade, it's pretty much immediate. You can just click, 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 and you get through it really fast. It saves you a ton of time, so that one's super worth it. Let's go back and sell those. I'll probably have enough money now, especially with the upgrade where I get more money for my fish. 123, that's enough to get to Sandy Shores. Let's head over there. I'll show you where that secret food is if you didn't know where it is. All right, up here by this tree, there's the strawberry. Oops, let's eat that strawberry. I think you get another 100 XP. Yep. Let's answer some questions. All right, I maxed out my backpack. Let's see how much money we have. That's more than enough to get over to the Cosmic Cove, but I only have 7 bait, so I'm going to answer some more questions. Notice that I am 9.5 minutes in the game. All right, got 51 bait again. Let's go buy this past Cosmic Cove. I'll show you where the secret food is really quick, too. Just head into this area right here, down at the bottom, and you get yourself some raspberries. Another 100 XP. Let's go catch some fish. You know, if I wanted to, I could buy the better fishing rod too. Maybe I should do that. I'll do that in a minute. Oh, and if you didn't know, when you get some of the bigger fish, like the starfish and anything above that, you also get XP for it. So right there, starfish, you can see at the top. It's kind of hard to see, but you get 75 XP for catching that, and you get even more for even better fish than catch. Okay, I'm all maxed out, so let's head back, see how much money I have, and I think maybe I'll buy the better fishing rods, see if I can get some better fish and finish the game even quicker. $770, we're getting there. We are at the better fishing rod. How far are we into this game? 12 minutes into the game. Right there, 12:01. Still got 29 bait, that's enough to go catch some more stuff, so let's go do that. In Cosmic Cove. I'm full on the little fish, but I want to get some more starfish. I just keep getting the bad ones. Okay, let's go back. All right, I got $1,000. Definitely more bait, so let's do that for a minute. Okay, got another 45. Maybe that'll be enough to hit that 2,000 mark. Just in case you were wondering, I hit the $1,000 a little under 13 minutes. So if you wanted to set them a goal of $1,000, then maybe that's a good place to start. I got full again. It might be worth it to buy the next bigger backpack because I keep filling up on the blue fish and it keeps telling me to go back, which is super annoying. 1,500. Well, if I just got $500 more, I'm just going to use all 27 bait, regardless of if it's telling me that my backpack's full, and see if we can end this game here in just a minute. All right, well, I used all of it. I only caught a few starfish. I didn't get anything better than a starfish. I've been pretty unlucky, even with that upgraded fishing rod. Let's see if I get 2,000. Got it. Game over. What's my time at? 15:29. So 15 and a half minutes if you're not super lucky. But I also know the material really well as a teacher, so maybe a student would take 20 minutes if they're really playing the game. If that's too long, I would suggest setting it for a smaller dollar amount, but that's the answer to the question that I proposed. The nice thing here is you can see the results if you're the teacher. I'll show you how to do that right now. So you just got to head back over to your kits, or the home page basically. Go to assignments, find your assignment. I called it how long to 2,000, and you can look at your report and see how well the students did. I got a couple wrong, so keep that in mind. 171 questions in about 15 minutes, so that's pretty good practice. Maybe if you don't want to make them earn $2,000, you can set the question amount to a certain amount of questions you want them to answer. Something that might be similar to if they're playing the game, so maybe 150 questions or something. Okay, there's the answer to your question. If you want to know any more, let me know. Otherwise, hasta luego. See ya.